Hi and welcome back. So as you can see, we've got another Lego set, and this time we are looking at the Speed Champions Back to the Future DeLorean. This was released on the 1st of January, and I'm sure, as most Lego collectors will know, it was sold out pretty much straight away. Cost I think was about $22.99. I did notice though it is now back in stock on the Lego website. So yeah, you can go and get it on there again. It was on back order for, I think it said about 60 days or something, but yeah, it seemed to be back in stock pretty quickly. So yeah, reason for getting this one, Back to the Future is one of my favourite films, if not my favourite film, so it would be rude not to get hold of this one. I do have the original Lego set as well of the DeLorean that was released, and I have ordered the larger scale model as well, so once that comes we'll have a look at that as well. But yeah, let's get building this Lego set and I'll show you as we go through it. And there we have it all completed. Marty, a bit blurry. We'll go down to Marty and Doc and DeLorean. As you can see, this is the DeLorean from Back to the Future #1. You can actually make #2 out of the same pack, but yeah, I've just made #1. I assume some of these extra parts, like this bit here, is for if your wheels are flying. But yeah, I've just made this one using #1. Probably will have to go and buy another Back to the Future Lego set now, just so I can make #2 as well. Although we do have the other DeLorean that I mentioned earlier. But yeah, really, really nice. I do like this one much better than the first one that they made. It does look a lot more like the DeLorean. The other one was a bit more boxy. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. If you have, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.